is up, athletes? I'm back with another video. So yesterday I posted a video where we were doing hill sprints, but we cranked it up about 20 yards, so it was 100-yard sprints. So today we gotta crank it up even more. My dad's over here with a weighted vest, and I got parachutes. So I'll show y'all how it's gonna look. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm marking off the spot right now. So stay tuned. It's about to be a beast. So yeah. And also, if you got to this point of the video, comment down below cone. The word cone, so I know you got to this part, alright?
Starting to rain on us out here. But we ain't gonna stop till we're done. That was 100 yards 9 times. With a 40-pound vest on. So realistically, I went from 228 pounds to 268. That's rough, y'all. This pass is gonna be some success, is gonna be some failures. Gotta push through it. Last one. It's coming down now. See the rain drop. We're gonna get it over with. We're going 180 yards though. That's probably the hardest one I've done in my life, to be honest with you. Legs tight, glutes tight. Everything, bro. Last one. Do this last one without the vest. Gotta hurry up. Brain's starting to come down a little heavier.
if you could tell, but it's raining, and we finished though. We worked through it. Because I know most athletes, or I'm not going to say most athletes, but most people, if it starts raining or something like that, that's going to be an excuse for them to cut the training short. But that's not what we're about to do. So it's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, okay? So share this video, share it to all your friends and family, and tell them to subscribe. Thanks for the support. We out.